What is up? It's your boy Aing here, bringing to you guys a brand new freaking video, man. So look, listen, today we got a fun one. Today we got an exciting one. Today we got a banger. All right, so I don't know why, but it feels like it's been a little while since we've done a modification. I honestly can't even remember which is our last modification, but nonetheless, today we got a banger of a modification, at least to me, okay? It's the small things that count in my book. But first, don't forget to like it, don't forget to comment, don't forget to subscribe. We're on the road to 1 million subscribers, okay, boys? We're at 4,060 subscribers. We're growing at a record-breaking pace, and let's not stop the momentum. There's a small difference on the other side of the Tacoma. I want to see if people can recognize it. It's a small little change, it's a subtle change, but I think it's super, super cool. So take a look at this side. Thank you. Thanks. So take a look at this side and you should be able to see a small minor change. I don't know if you're going to be able to see it. I'll show it in the next video if you can't tell, but if you can, shout out to you. But now it's time to get into the modification. Take a look at this. We got some floor mats. Honestly, I get a lot of floor mats because I'm always on the search for the next big thing just in the floor mat world, because my truck, well, I take it off-road and it doesn't stay the cleanest, and I need something a little bit more durable, a little bit more rugged than the OEM floor mats. Now, if you look here, they're very flimsy and all this stuff gets in through there. I don't like it because having to get a vacuum every so often is not the easiest thing, and it's also, they're loud, they're heavy, and well, it's not fun to have to keep getting a vacuum. So a company by the name of Kicks, I don't know how to say their name, but I'm gonna stick with Kicks. It's the same company that sent out the side steps. They also sent me out an air compressor, which I still use. It's right there. This has to be one of the coolest packagings I've seen for floor mats ever. I've gotten a bunch sent out to me. They usually come in like a brown, boring box. I doubt you're as interested in the box as I am, but let's go ahead and get these bad boys open and let's take a look. So that's the back piece. These are the front pieces. Whoa, this feels way cool. Okay, I don't even know where to start. Floor mats instruction manual. You don't need this because, well, you have my video. I don't know why I'm reading this. I know what I'm doing. One. Oh, that sucks. I will say, if you're removing these back ones by yourself, push these seats as forward as you can. Grab this bad boy right here, put it over through the middle, grab them like this. Now let's get started with the installations. I'm super stoked. These actually feel way better. This feels way more durable. It feels very, very solid. I don't know how to say their name. I'm gonna keep calling it Kicks until I get corrected. How funny would it be if this wasn't even the driver's side?
I don't know why I'm reading this. I know what I'm doing.
Are you guys, am I the only one that's excited? I don't even have words. Let's go. It should go a little something like this. Okay, we're fitting snug. That's what we like to see. We're fitting snug. These fit extremely snug, like a perfect fit. I can't even get my finger through there, which I like because sometimes people spill, and even if it's just right here, it's covered up. Very, very nice. Okay, onto the other side. But first, another comparison. Obviously stock, obviously not. Shout out to Kicks, man, these things are so cool. I like how these go up a lot higher. That's the problem I had with other aftermarket ones. They give you some space to the sides, but they don't go up. This does both. As you guys see, it can cover over there, it can cover there. You see how it goes up, this one goes up, and this one goes out higher than that one did. Can I do it one-handed? This is awesome. I hope it doesn't seem like I'm trying to sell too much, but it's honestly solving a problem that I had, and I couldn't be more happy. Passenger versus passenger. Take a look. As you guys can see, it goes up a lot higher than the factory ones. Also, this is like a harder rubber. This is flimsy. You guys see that? It's flimsy. Okay, I also like that this goes up higher because Sandy, well, she makes a mess too, okay? It's not just me. So with that being said, 1, 2, and just like that, sheesh. All right, so that's gonna wrap up today's video. I hope you guys did enjoy. If you did, please leave a like, a comment, and a subscription. These floor mats will be linked in the description down below. Shout out to Kicks again for sending out this product. I've been looking for some better floor mats for quite some time now, and finally I got them. So I'm super stoked, super excited to actually use them. Did I convince you to get some cooler, better looking floor mats? I don't know. Maybe, maybe not. I guess floor mats aren't that important to everybody, but to me, they are extremely important. And I'm super, super stoked that I actually got a good set of them. I really like how high they go up. I like how much protection they have here. I like how high they actually go up there. It's just perfect. To me, it's the perfect floor mat. Anyways, we're gonna wrap up today's video on this side of the truck to see if you guys can tell what I did differently that I haven't done on the other side just yet because I'm waiting on some stuff. With that being said, go down in the description, take a look, pick these up for yourself. Get rid of those old crusty floor mats and pick yourself up some of the new Kicks ones. Nonetheless, it's been your boy. I'm out like an Audi. I'll see you tomorrow. Single tomorrow. Peace. I can't wait to show you guys. I literally can't wait to show you guys, but I kind of stopped looking.